Okay, let's start phase 2, and the rules for phase 2 is that my full position sizing is $30 and my half position sizing will be $15. So we will play according to that money management, because last time we lost the account because of drawdown phase. So just in case if this is a drawdown phase, so we won't lose the account. Okay, let's see. In daily, GBP is bearish, overall trend is bullish, but in daily it is bearish. 4 hour, okay, good. First good momentum, then it held one candle, fine, nice. This candle look like that yes, there can be a trend reversal W pattern, but the next candle showed that maybe not. Okay, so still bearish. Nice. Okay, in 15 minutes again, if this, see, you can see that in hourly it manipulated, might it look made a W pattern, it looked like that yes, there can be a trend reversal, but the next candle showed it is not. Same happened in 15 minute over here, the 15-minute breakout structure. But if the current candle goes up, then it can be bullish. But if we will go with the daily trend, which is bearish, GBP bearish, what we can do is 5-minute breakout structure. Here is a fair value gap, so it can continue for the higher side. If it goes, then it doesn't matter. It gave a breakout structure for the downside and it is in the order block, but I need a 5-minute breakout structure, or it can break this swing, that is fine too, and 1-minute breakout structure. It might continue for the higher side. If it gives a 5-minute breakout structure for the upside, then we won't trade. Overall trend is bearish, so we will go with the trend. Overall trend is bullish, but the daily trend, we follow the daily trend. I will go to third quantity because the overall trend is bullish and today it is bearish. Nice, fine. In daily, it has given a quite a stretch. So yes, yeah, okay. Here it swept. So yeah, we will go full quantity in a 5-minute breakout structure for the downside. Euro, same bearish for daily. 4 hour. This is more bearish than GPP. Nice, good, looking good. This was a good breakout. It also went below that, so that's a good sign that it is bearish. We have a 1 hour order block. Okay, so let's mark the 1 hour order block. If it comes into the order block of 1 hour, we can trade that. $15-minute, nice, gave a breakout structure for the downside. We can use the 15-minute order block also. This is also good enough. Okay, 5-minute breakout structure is also good. It already gave a 5-minute breakout structure. Here it is a good manipulation breakout structure for the upside. Yeah, there is a fair value gap which is not good. I would prefer to trade below the fair value gap. Let's mark it just to take. So we are bearish in euro. Our plan of action will be, if it comes in the 1 hour order block, still I will wait for 5-minute breakout structure. And if it makes start going lower for the new low of the day, then also that is good enough. Then I want a 1-minute breakout structure. The same plan as GBP, 5-minute breakout structure and 1-minute breakout structure. Okay, in 5 minutes this was a strong candle, so below this swing one can sell. Some buyers might have put their SL over this swing, and all in all, everybody who have would have put their SL over this swing. So yeah, 5-minute breakout structure. If this candle turns out to be green, then a red candle which breaks this high, then a retest of the order block and 1-minute breakout structure, and we can enter. JPY, I hope it's bullish. Okay, okay, it is bullish for the day. There is no wick for the daily. There is no daily wick, so that's a good sign. The first 4 hour of the candle was very strong retracement, but the continuation is not there. Yeah, buying happens slow, but no strength. This was a good momentum. This 3 good pullback. It should have continued, but from then it has been sideways. But nice. This current 1 hour candle has given a good breakout. So this low of this 1 hour candle is very important, because a lot of people would have put their SLs below that. So this low is very important. This swing over here. In 15 minutes, it is coming in the fair value gap. Good. This is looking good. It was in the zone. It gave a breakout and with a very good trend. One doji candle. Now it will retest the order block. It will retest the, okay, it is already retesting the fair value gap. So we are bullish. JPY. Nice. This is a good manipulation. It might look. It gave a breakout structure for, okay, the candle is strong for the downside, but we will look for buys. Overall trend is bullish. This candle should not close very bearish. Okay, it is closing very bearish. Fine. Let's see. It should get, okay. So we need a 5-minute breakout structure. This is a very good trade if it gives a breakout structure and retest and 1-minute breakout structure. So same plan in all, 5-minute breakout structure and 1-minute breakout structure. This one would be a high probability trade if it crosses this swing. So it can give a confirmation this was a manipulation. In smaller time frame, you can see it gave a breakout structure, retest, now going downward. So it might look like it is bearish, but it is coming to retest this breakout. So you can see this pattern: zone, breakout, retest of the zone, and then it will continue for the higher side. And the target should be 1x, at least 1x of the zone. Okay, gold, JPY is looking good. I would, okay, gold is still going up, and we will also keep trading for buys in gold. Nice, one red candle. Now it can continue for the higher side. 1 hour, good, strong candles. 3 weak candles. Okay, in a lower time frame, I don't know what is this is called, but this in a smaller time frame, it will make a breakout structure in 1 hour. There is still time, 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, it has already given a breakout structure. In smaller time frame, you can see it gave a breakout structure for the downside, but then it held 2 candles and gave a breakout structure for the upside, retested the 30-minute order block, and nice, amazing, 15-minute breakout structure. So this is also looking very good. I want to keep my balance in positive for the day one. I would like to trade only high probability trades, which are JPY. Gold is very good. So in 5 minutes, okay, now giving a breakout structure. So retest of the zone, we are bullish. Order block, 5-minute order block, and 1-minute breakout structure. This is a high probability trade, JPY and gold, and let's see NQ. Okay, okay, it has no wick. And yesterday I told you that yesterday or day, yeah, yesterday I told you, or day before yesterday, yeah, day before yesterday. Yesterday, oh, this was a very strong. I would have made money if I would have traded yesterday. The day before yesterday, as I told you that it make a wick for once, twice, and third time. So that day I was expecting it to close around its closing price, the high of the day, which it did almost. Yeah, then it has a very small wick, but that's fine. But you can see the next day. There is hardly any wick up and down, and today it can continue also. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, too many green candle. It let's see lower time frame, hardly any pullbacks. So it is in the, okay. It has filled the gap, so it can trade for the, okay. 1 hour gave a breakout structure for the downside, but I might not trade NQ if that's the case. It gave a breakout structure, or retest is 15 minutes. So I need a 15-minute breakout structure at least in NQ to trade, which will take quite a while. 5-minute breakout structure is also fine. I will go half quantity in NQ. So 5-minute breakout structure and 1-minute breakout structure, half quantity. Because it has given a breakout structure for the 2/3 quantity is also good, but the selling pressure is there. These are strong candles, strong downside. Over here, the, okay, this is also strong. So yeah, we'll keep half quantity in NQ, and okay, let's see, the market is about to open. I would prefer to trade gold. Gold is looking good. So other pairs. Okay, so GBP went up, so it doesn't matter anymore. And Euro also might have gone up. Yes, it did. So they are bullish. And JPY we were bullish. So we were wrong. I would think we were wrong about the trend. Let's see if it gives a breakout structure, then we will look. Otherwise, our only focus will be gold, and NQ will look if it gives a breakout structure. So these are two important pairs. Let's see. Market has opened. Let's see if it gives a breakout structure. Gold bullish, 5-minute breakout structure. Okay, nice. This can be a good manipulation. We might not. Okay. NQ is moving. I'll wait because we are in a new account, so we should not rush. Already our analysis is showing that we might be wrong about the trend. GBP, Euro, they are not going as we thought they will, but if NQ gives a trade, then I will go with half quantity. Otherwise, I don't think we will get any trades today. These can be good trades if in 10 to 15 minutes is goes downside, then gives a breakout structure for the upside. So we will get a manipulation, then the probability of the trade will also increase. NQ is the only thing I think we will get a trade, and we are only going half quantity in NQ also. Let's see. So I took an entry in gold, not a best trade, but there is. I don't think I will get any more trades. Gold moves very fast, so my plan was 5 minute breakout structure. It can give a retest, then I might do it again. But in 1 minute, I was hoping it will close around over here, then retest of this fair value gap. Then I will take an entry. But it was moving fast, so I took an entry. My entry is over here. SL 25. If it retraces, okay, it might not. My SL is not even half quantity, it is less than half. It is around $25 something. It is okay. I will keep the 26 over here. There are not any more trades. All pairs are going against our view, so we'll only trade this one, which is gold. And we might target. Let's see what the target we can do, because it is, if it goes fast, then I will trail. After all, we have only one open position. Okay, so we won't take any more trades. It gave a breakout structure. I was hoping NQ to close somewhere around here, so it can make a valid 5 minute breakout structure, or otherwise above this swing, which is 15-minute breakout structure. But it closed over here. Otherwise, if it would have closed over somewhere around here, then I would have waited for a retest. But now it's fine. We won't trade NQ. And about other pairs, we were planning for a breakout structure for the upside in JPY, but it went down, so we won't trade that. This is going up. Euro, it might get a trade. If it happens, then I will go half quantity because it is in 1 hour order block after all. And this can be a good trade. Let's see if 15-minute the strength is there. Maybe not. Let's see if it gives a 5 minute breakout structure for the downside, then we might get something. If it takes too much time, then I won't trade. This is over here. We have a initial breakout structure. So if it retests this and gives a breakout structure in 5 minutes, I might not trade. Let's see. So this is the only trade, and 1:3. I will target is almost 1.5%. My SL is also small, $25. So let's see if I can. What can be the actual target? It can come for the London session highs, which is, yeah, I will try to target almost 2%. So my 300 a minute, yeah, so 3.4 something. This is the target. It can go even higher, so I'm not even targeting London highs. I can, but fine, we'll make 2% is good enough. If it goes very fast in next 5 minutes, then I will start trailing and increase my target to London highs. Then my TP will be 2.4%. Let's see. So we got stopped out in gold. It wasn't. It was my fault. Overall, the 5 minute breakout structure was still pending. Our SL was great over here, but when it gave this big wick and the next candle was somewhere around here, so I thought, yeah, that, and the third candle also when it was over here, so I thought it should not reverse anymore, and I trailed it to break even. So because this is the new account, I don't want many losses. But it swept my break even, and now it's going up. So this is my fault. I should have waited for this breakout structure. Now it's going. It will go for London highs, and we'll remember this one, that this is our fall in NQ. Finally, it gave a 15-minute breakout structure, then retest of the zone. Our SL is somewhere here, and at 1 minute breakout structure we entered, and we have one more. This one was a this is a one regret. We could have been positive in the new account, but fine. You cannot be perfect. This mistake costed us some money, and I am also in euro. This is our open position in euro. We have two open position, most likely both will hit SL and we will lose around $30. I went with half quantity in euro as well as NQ. Let's see. So I also got stopped out in NQ and we also got stopped out in euro. Overall, we lost $30 after brokerage and everything. We are down $35. The balance is 4965, and we could have been profitable if I would have taken this one right. If I would have taken this one right, because we went full quantity in gold. So the lesson is, see, this was a very high probability. I also told you that this one is a high probability trade. So I should have not been too conservative about my losses. Because of fear, I trailed it around break even, so I would not lose anything, which costed us the profit. Fine. We will remember this one, because the lesson here is that when you know which one is the high probability, otherwise this was the low probabilities. That's why we went half quantity. Euro was low probability. That's why we went half quantity. In these kinds of trade, you can trail to be conservative. But if you know this one is a high probability trade, then you should not mess with the stop loss and let the market breathe and let it move. This will go to the London high. As I said, if it would have moved in my favor, then I would have trailed even better. So I could have made, all in all, I would have lost $30 in NQ and Euro and NQ, and I would have made somewhere around 2%. So I could have been up roughly 1% if I would have executed this correctly. But fine, we will make mistakes and we will learn. And next time I'll not repeat this one. Try to not repeat this one. And yeah, that's it. See you all tomorrow. Bye.